Welcome to week 2 of Fundamentals of Nutrition. This week, we're moving on to the digestive system in chapter 3. In addition to the PowerPoint for this chapter, I've also included 2 short videos. Because the body relies on the intestinal tract to provide us with nourishment from the foods we consume, problems with the digestive system can greatly impact our nutritional status. If our body isn't absorbing food properly, then we cannot get the nutrients we need. There is also a short video on celiac disease. This disease is the body's inability to tolerate gluten, which is a type of protein found in wheat products and other grains, such as barley and rye, as well as some types of oats that may be cross-contaminated during milling with wheat. Today we see more people being diagnosed with celiac disease, probably related to underdiagnosing in the past. And today, with gluten-free as a fad diet, we see more people consuming gluten-free products because they think it's healthy, even though they do not have a gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Research bears out that there are no nutritional benefits and some shortcomings with consuming a gluten-free diet when not required, such as important mineral and fiber deficiencies, along with containing more calories than a diet containing gluten or wheat products. This week, I've launched the first forum. See the forum tab for forum number 1, located over here. The requirement is to post your own reaction to the article as well as dialoguing with at least 3 other classmates. I'll look forward to reading your thoughts. There is only one MindTap assignment this week. It is a short case study with a few questions. The article review assignment is also due this week. The assignment link is located in week 1, although I have placed a reminder in our weekly assignments folder. I hope the course is going well for you thus far. You may not, or you may have noticed in the Start Here tab that I have office hours on Tuesday mornings. Don't hesitate to pop by if you have questions. Have a great week.